Welcome back. I'm Brooke Tucker, the new Managing Director of Energy Efficiency and Renewable Energy in the Utah Governor's Office of Energy Development. Energy efficient homes are increasing in popularity and are becoming more and more available. These energy efficient homes have features built right in that will provide better overall comfort for you and your family. Not only will your utility bills be lower, but your home can be more affordable over its lifetime. So when you're looking for a new house, consider energy efficiency from the ground up. Let's head inside for a closer look. To help you know what to look for when buying your home, I'm here with James at Ivory Homes in a house that's currently under construction. So James, what does an energy efficient home look like?
Well, Brooke, it's much like the foundation of your home. You have one chance to do it right. And so with energy efficient features, you want to make sure you're using the right products at the right time and having it installed correctly. And to create that energy efficient shell, you want to make sure all of the systems are working in concert with each other. I look at the house as an entire system. Everything has to work together to be the most efficient possible so that you can have the most comfort and enjoyment of your home, have a great living space for your family with great indoor air quality.
Let's drill down into three specific systems: air sealing, insulation, and high-performance HVAC systems. Can you tell us a little more about them?
One of the most important things of the home is to control your air leakage. We've already accomplished having a great R value in the home by providing high-quality insulating materials. But if you don't have high-quality air sealing, that insulation won't work as well. So you want to make sure your home is sealed correctly, and when you have an airtight home, you have less air leakage, less energy loss, therefore that results in more energy savings.
Now that we sealed those leaks, let's move on to insulation.
There's three types of main wall insulation products: batt insulation, blown blanket, or spray foam. Each has their pros and cons. We generally go with a blown blanket insulation. It gives you great air sealing, you get a great R value, and now the R value is how insulation is measured. The higher the number, the greater the insulating properties of that material or the wall. So for an example, in this home here, the average R value of the walls is an R23. Code requires R20, so we're above code with a great air sealing product as well.
It's like you've built a giant thermos. Now we need to heat and cool this home with a high-performance HVAC system.
Right, and HVAC, which is heating, ventilating, and air conditioning, code requires every builder to provide a report to the permitting agency that will indicate the heating and cooling load calculations for that home so that we can appropriately size the right equipment. And with a high-quality, energy-efficient equipment system being used in the home, couple that with a great air-sealed home with great insulation, you can have great savings. You can lower your utility costs because heating and cooling can result in about 50% of your monthly utility bills. So you want to make sure that that's being used efficiently. And with more efficient and smaller equipment, you have greater energy savings, greater comfort, greater indoor air quality, and a great place for your family.
Thanks, James. Some of you may be buying a condo or townhome instead of a standalone house. As a home buyer, you will have some different considerations in these scenarios. If you can have input on the ceiling and insulation, that's the best option. It's also important to consider sound dampening materials for any adjoining walls. Next, let's check in with Matt about energy ratings and how you can specifically measure your new home's energy efficiency.
Brooke, to find out how your home really is going to perform, I would recommend getting an energy rating. Most builders in Utah already do energy ratings during construction, so it's just a matter of asking.
So what is a home energy rating?
Home energy rating is like a miles per gallon for your car. It lets you know how your house performs energy-wise compared to other houses in the area.
So it's just as important to buy a comfortable and efficient home as it is to maintain one, correct?
Yeah, it's all about behavior, really. When you buy a house, you should really walk through the house with the builder or realtor to make sure that you understand how the house operates. If you bought a car, you'd want to know what all the buttons do. It's kind of the same thing with the house.
Makes sense. So what are some other things we can do in our home to maintain their energy efficiency?
Well, the easy ones are to shut off the lights when you leave the room, adjust the thermostat, and make sure that you change the air filters in your furnace when the manufacturer says to do so.
Small things really can make a big difference. Thank you, Matt. Whether you're a homeowner or a renter, you can find more energy efficiency tips at energy.utah.gov. There you'll find our Renter's Guide to Energy Efficiency, as well as the other videos in our energy efficiency video series. Thank you for watching.